Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a pot for your plants out of a coffee can. This is another super affordable and super easy project, so I'm going to jump right in and get started. The items that you're going to need for this project are a coffee can. Now I chose this bigger one, but you can do any size depending on what size of pot you're wanting to make for your plants. A couple of wooden dowels, wood stain, and some type of glue. I have E6000 and I also have a hot glue gun. So we'll see which one works better for this type of project. Now you can go ahead and paint the coffee can, but I chose not to just for time consumption. I'm going to just leave this like this because I'm going to be placing the wooden dowels over the coffee can and you won't be able to see this label. I will leave the link in the description on where you can find each and every one of these items. First thing you're going to do is take your wooden dowel and start gluing them around your coffee can. Start to look like this. Dowels glued to your can, it should look something like this. Now you can change up the design a little bit if you would like. You can use different shapes of dowels, different sizes. Next we're going to stain our wooden. I have Early American. I got my wood stain at Lowe's. I'll leave a link in the description. Lightly brush it on your wooden dowels. Okay, so I have it fully covered with the wood stain. I'm going to let it dry. Alright guys, so once you have your planter stained, you are finished and you can decorate it how you like. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. See you guys next time.